The state of Michigan forces businesses to spend millions of dollars every year on workers' compensation.
But tonight, some are questioning whether the law protects you, the worker, or empowers insurance companies to fight legitimate claims with biased doctors.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell is digging for answers tonight in one family's emotionally draining battle.
Mark Maruza says he loved living a busy life, coaching kids sports, riding Harleys with his wife, working at Detroit Intermodal Transportation in Taylor.
I loved my job. I was a truck driver. Everything, something different every day.
Then he got hit by an SUV while on the clock.
It's hard to talk about it. It truly is.
Life changed instantly for his entire family. Mark broke numerous bones and suffered a neck and traumatic brain injury. It left him agitated, confused, and his memory is shot. His doctor started to treat him, but then, since the accident happened while he was on the clock, the workman's comp insurance company stepped in.
If they seen the dog get hit, they'd probably pick it up, take it to the vet. But not me.
His attorney says it took Blue Cross Blue Shield subsidiary, the Accident Fund Insurance Company, 2 years to approve surgery to treat his neck injury.
Was it that long?
It was.
No, I think it was a few months.
All Mark remembers is pain.
It's just hard, hurt every minute of the day.
And that's not all. It's been about 5 years since the accident, and the insurance company is now refusing to cover what's been prescribed to treat Mark's brain injury. How can it do that? Well, workers' comp insurance companies are allowed to hire what are called independent medical examiners. Mark's attorney says the name is misleading. They're anything but independent.
Whore doctors. Doctors are making $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, and $700,000 a year.
Mark's attorney, Marshall Lasser, says 2 out of 3 insurance company specialists came to a wild conclusion. Mark had no brain injury.
When we got the report back, I'm like, you got to be kidding. I can't believe this doctor would say this. This isn't a doctor.
Not long after that finding, the insurance company stopped paying for a medication that eased agitation caused by his brain injury. Mark couldn't afford the medicine. He lost control one morning after his wife made breakfast.
You put onions in my omelet. Mark, Nancy says, I didn't put onions in your omelet. I know for 20 years you don't like onions in your omelet. You put onions in my omelet. He walks to the bedroom and grabs a gun.
Mark threatened to kill Nancy and her teenage daughter. After a police standoff ended peacefully, Mark was hospitalized. Doctors said being cut off of his medication and his brain injury caused his irrational outrage.
This is the tip of the iceberg. This is just one out of hundreds and maybe thousands of stories each year in Michigan.
Marshall Lasser is suing, accusing the Blue Cross Blue Shield Accident Fund of working with doctors to fraudulently deny claims. He says the law bans patients from investigating such fraud in court. He says the state forces employers to buy workers' compensation insurance. Laws should make sure doctors diagnose honestly. So where is the accountability? I reached out to the state. I was told it's not the state's job to make sure doctors are credible. It relies on professional licensing boards to do that. An attorney for an IME doctor told me the accountability is in the court system. A judge will hear Mark's case, but Mark's lawyer says in the meantime, he's suffering.
If you steal a candy bar from the store, you're going to go to jail. But if an insurance company systematically and their doctor allies steal millions and millions and millions of doctors from injured people, nothing happens in Michigan.
The Accident Fund Insurance Company offered a statement saying it's committed to providing workers' compensation benefits in a fair and lawful manner. And we take allegations of wrongful administration of the Workers' Compensation Act very seriously. We believe our actions were justified and in compliance with the law. And since this case is currently in litigation, we cannot offer further specific comment.
This could happen to you tomorrow while you're out there. So you just better hope you're not at work so your insurance company will take care of it.
Kim Russell, 7 Action News.